everyone, welcome back to my workshop. Today we are making our first order. The guy who ordered this has a coal-fired stove and he needs to burn about half ton of small grain coal, which falls through the original grate of the stove. So we are supposed to make an adapter that will allow it. The adapter will be made from 1.5 mm thick steel sheet, in which we are gonna punch about 300 holes, each roughly 5 mm in diameter, and then we are gonna make the whole plate a bit wavy so the air can easily get to the fuel. Okay, a little fail, as I realized that it is impossible to punch 300 holes into the sheet, so I decided to buy a drill bit because it is going to be like 100 times quicker and also more reliable than punching. Okay, the piece is drilled. There are over 300 holes in that piece. I don't know the exact number because they are not in lines and they are a bit scattered around. But it doesn't matter, as it is fire grade for a stove, not a combustor for a jet engine. The last step ahead of us is to make the piece wavy, because as you can see, if it will lay flat on the original grate, it will cancel the draw and the fire will suffocate, making the stove not only unusable but also really dangerous because of carbon monoxide poisoning. To make the waves a bit more regular and help the draw, we are going to use a hardy tool with second impact piece, in between which we are gonna place the plate and force it to become wavy. Great, the blacksmithing is successfully done, but as we are selling it, we are gonna use a wire wheel and buff it a little bit to make it look better and more appealing for the customer. And this is how the result looks like. I just had to straighten the corner that I rolled up with the angle grinder. And that's it. I just have to send it to the customer, after which I will return to that leaf thing, because I'm far away from that 100 leaf mark. As for you, I will be happy to see you in 1 week. Have a good one and bye bye.